Okay, this is it. The final speaking question. Speaking question 6. And even better news, it's just as easy as question 5. Maybe easier. Why is it easy? Because you don't have to read anything. And there's only one person talking. The format is simple. You listen to a short lecture about a specific topic. You write notes on that lecture, and then you repeat that information back in a 60-second summary. It's a single source question, so we use the outline note format. The lecture is going to introduce a topic, possibly give a definition for that topic, and then it's going to give 2 to 3 examples to illustrate or support the topic. And that's it. You simply write your outline format, then fill in the empty spaces with the key information from the lecture. The key to this question is listening. Listening carefully for important information and ignoring the unimportant information. I want you to think of it like this. I want you to think of it as if it was your independent essay for the writing section of the TOEFL. You write an outline for your independent essay with a topic and then your supporting ideas that support that topic with examples. Question 6 is just like that, only in reverse. Here, they give you the essay in the format of a lecture, someone talking to you about a subject, and you fill in the outline with the information they give. It's like someone wrote an essay for you, and all you have to do is write the outline for it. If you listen to the lecture like that, it's going to be really, really easy to get the information you need out of the lecture. You're going to be listening for the topic, definition, and supporting ideas, just like an outline. Let's listen to an example of question 6 and see how to pull the important information out of the structure. Hello, class. In continuing with our discussion on our solar system, today I'm going to be touching on the subject of planet classification. What is planet classification? Well, it's the criteria or the rules for what makes a planet a planet. Let me explain for you. There are 3 clear requirements for an object in space to be classified as a planet. First of all, it must make a full orbit around a sun. This one is the most obvious. If, for example, Earth was a satellite around Saturn, it would not be considered a planet. Secondly, the object must have sufficient mass for its self-gravity to overcome rigid body forces so that it assumes a hydrostatic equilibrium. Or, in more simple language, it has to have a round shape. It's related to the size of the planet, but isn't necessarily determined only by its size. For example, a considerably dense planet might have a large mass, but a small size, and the gravity of the object would give this rounded characteristic. The key factor is that it's spherical or round in shape. And thirdly, the object must clear the neighborhood around its orbit, meaning nothing can be in its path or holding its position, no comets, asteroids, or, most importantly, other planets. And we're back. So, now that we have our outline filled out, we simply need to repeat it back while keeping an eye on the clock. Let's go ahead and listen to an example answer. In the lecture, the speaker talks about planet classification. This is defined as what exactly makes a planet a planet. The speaker gives some examples of this. First of all, the first classification is that the object orbits a sun. For example, if the Earth orbited Saturn, it wouldn't be considered a planet. Secondly, the object must have enough mass for its gravity to make it evenly round. A small object could be a planet, for example, as long as its mass is enough for gravity to make it a round shape. And lastly, the object must clear its orbit. This means that the object doesn't have anything in its path, for example, asteroids, comets, or especially other planets. So, to review, question 6 will have a topic, supporting examples for that topic, and that's it. You simply start at the top and read down your outline. The key is to look at it like it's an essay outline in reverse. You listen to the lecture and fill out the essay as the information is given to you. And, as with all my speaking questions, in the text you'll find a speaking script with keywords and phrases and timing help in answering the question.